y'all, it's your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all, it is officially after Christmas. Today is the 28th, and I need to start doing some cleaning before the new year starts, because I don't know about y'all, but I like to clean before, do a nice deep clean before the new year hits. So I'm gonna start doing that now. Today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so I have 3 days to get this house nice and clean. And first I think I'm gonna start with taking all the clothes that my daughter can't fit anymore for donate, and her toys, because I can't put her new toys in these places until I get rid of the old ones. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna take you guys along with me, and I'm gonna try to do like different angles and stuff, because I want to try to do that on my channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and let's do some cleaning.
Baby, the sound of you, better than honey, yeah. I want you off my mind, and on me, holding me closer than we've ever been before. This ain't a dream, you're here with me. Boy, it don't get no better than you. For you, I wanna take my time all night. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. I wanna love you in every kind of way. I wanna please you, no matter how long it takes. If the world should end tomorrow and we only had today, I wanna love you.
Alright guys, I did the living room, so that was a good speed clean for the living room. Now I am gonna work on the, I feel like I want to work on the table, but it's not gonna take me long, because that closet, that stuff that's over there by the living, that area over there, that stuff supposed to go in the closet. But since our heater is broke and maintenance is supposed to come back, I can't move that stuff over yet. So I'm gonna just leave that, but I'm gonna work on the closet. Let's see if we can speed clean the closet real quick. Y'all, this closet is a hot mess. It is a hot mess. I don't want to show y'all, but I am. Y'all look at this.
Oh
Like, it's just stuff everywhere. It's just gotta go. And the tree has to go in here, so I gotta make room for this some way, somehow, and make this a little bit neater. Let's see. Just a word of advice, y'all, don't date a hoarder, okay? Because they keep everything. But I'm gonna see if I can throw some stuff away. Shh. Do y'all remember these shoes? The Rihanna Fenty? I probably only wore these like 5 times. Like barely worn. They look so new. I'm gonna donate them. I put them on Poshmark, but no one bought them, so I'm just gonna donate them. And y'all, this is all the clothes my daughter got for Christmas. So more laundry for me to do.
But it's sure no fit, it ain't safe round here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe round here, but she doesn't run from right. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Ooh, oh, won't let you go.
is not so bad. So I'm loving it so far. So if you don't know what speed cleaning is, you pretty much set yourself to an area that needs to be clean, that you want to clean. You set a timer if you can, or I don't want to say if you can, but if you want to. But like, you can really see how much you can get done in the time. Like, I did this closet in 20 minutes, and that's pretty good. So also, just meaning you whatever area you're in, you just start picking up stuff and you just start cleaning, like putting stuff where they go, making places for stuff where they go, like literally having a place for everything and just putting them away. It helps a lot. Y'all see I'm sweating, but like that only took me 20 minutes. For the living room, that took me 20 minutes. So like, honestly, like, cleaning, of course, is not gonna always be peaches and cream, but when you really look at it and you just start cleaning and speed cleaning, like, it literally doesn't take that long. Start washing clothes. So far so good. So now that I made room for the tree, because this apartment doesn't have a lot of closet space, I'm gonna put the tree right here. So it's gonna be in that bag, and it's gonna be right in there, and then our laundry basket will go in here too. And if anything, I still have space up top, but our comforters go there. Our comforter goes here. It goes on top of the dryer, because we have we have 3 comforters, so it's always going to be one here. It's going to be one always on top of the dryer, and one on the bed, of course, because we don't have a lot of closet space. And in the closet in the bathroom, it has more Christmas decorations, and we still have our towels, washcloths, and all that good stuff. So yeah, so that's how it works. But whenever I get a house, God willing, I'm telling you, God willing, for sure, because like, you know how like they have those big old pantries or whatever? Like, I want a big old linen closet, like a storage so big for that I can put all my comforters, all my pillows, extra towels and all that, like a big linen closet. Because I feel like, why don't homes come with that? Like, I feel like that's a big thing. Like, I don't care about the clothes, but a big closet, but let me have a big linen closet. Yeah. So but let me not say not a big closet, because you know, your words are powerful. But yeah, so now that I got that done, I'll probably take the tree down tomorrow or something like that. But the room is my last spot that I need to really clean too much, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with that slide. I might could fit it in this closet, I doubt it, but if not, it's just gonna hang out here. But we're really in here anyway, but I'm making it work. Hey y'all, so this is the end of the video. And thank you for watching this video, and if you made it this far, I hope you subscribe. I hope you like this video, and comment down below if you enjoy doing speed cleaning. When you got kids, your house be a mess. But bye bye. Oh, and I'm also doing potty training, so I need to help him do that. I need to help him take us to the party. But yeah, the tree is still up. I don't know when I'm gonna do it. I kind of don't want to take it down. Like, it's so pretty. Like, I don't want to take it down, but I know I'm gonna have to eventually. So, but yeah, I hope you guys had a very happy new year. It is now 2023, and hope 2023, no, we ain't gonna say hope, we gonna say 2023 is gonna be a better year, because last year we was fighting, and we don't want to fight no more. We're trying to elevate and get better. So I want to wish everybody a happy new year. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video, and I will see you guys later.